Hey, what's up, everybody? So it's truck day, and we got the 71 here. This one we had to clear out some bees. Anyway, that's not important. Um, do your valve covers leak? I mean, do they leak a lot? Did you put roller rocker arms on and you had to use taller valve covers? Well, this video might be for you. The problem I'm having is oil's pooling up down in here, and it's making a big mess. As you can see, well, the sun glare is kind of in the way, but there's some corrosion back there. Let's see if you can block some of that sun out. Anyway, I took this for a shakedown run yesterday. Just all highway, no stops, nothing like that, just to really get the motor going. And I noticed that she's been leaking a lot of oil and smoking. Popped the hood. Anyway, so if you notice right here, you got this lip. Well, I use stock gaskets. Stock gaskets aren't thick enough, so we got these bad boys, and they are cork 5/16 thick. So we're gonna get in here and do this. Get your air cleaner out of the way, give you some working room. Get your PVC out of the way that's leaking a little bit of oil. Now, if you haven't done this before, these have a little washer on them, so just make sure when you're putting those on you don't lose that. Make sure you get all your small parts off before you pull the valve cover off. That way you don't drop it down in the head. It's nice and clean in there. That's a good sign. Now here is the stock gasket, and as you can see, there's oil blowing by it. There shouldn't be oil on there. So these will just go in the garbage. I'm going to show you a trick Brad from Brad's Big Blocks showed me. You got your cork gaskets. It's a cork rubber mix. Carmex works better. If you get Carmex, get the little jar, don't get the squeeze tube, because you want a waxy paste. Burt's Beeswax will work just as good. And you just put it on like you're putting it on your lips. And what this will do is, because they're cork, and if you've ever dealt with cork gaskets, it will let you take your covers off without damaging the gasket. put your gasket on like so. Grab your valve cover. Make sure your valve cover is clean on the inside. You don't have any schmutz or anything. That's super clean in there. Grab your deals. Now if you can see, these got a bend to them. This side goes down. And I just noticed that the gasket has moved. Now this is the part that's a pain sometimes, trying to get crap lined up, because it's going to want to move on you. Like I said earlier in the video, I noticed a massive pool up in here of motor oil. So I know for a fact these are leaking. I'm not worried about cleaning this stuff off right now, because eventually I'm going to pull these back off, and I've got some emblems I'm going to weld to them. But for right now, I just want to get her running good, make sure none of her leaks and stuff are happening. Alright, now that you got all your valve cover bolts back in, give her a good wipe down, get your miscellaneous oils and whatever else off of there. And then take your PCV valve, wipe the crap off of that, and put her back in like so. And then once you're all said and done, give her a good wipe down, get you a can of brake clean. Sorry about the crappy camera work. And you give her a good old get all the oils off there, and you should be good to go. So there's that. That's how you do that. Thanks for watching.